She's a mess. Just, okay. Woo. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime and the worst Dollar Tree in my city. Why is there pancake syrup here? I have no idea. But here's the thing. This is the worst Dollar Tree, but maybe the best video I have ever made. Today, I am unveiling some of your best kept Dollar Tree hacks. These are the things that were thumbs up like 300, 500 times. Plus, I'm in a really small Dollar Tree without a lot of stuff, but we are unpacking gems. Oh my gosh, let's hit it.
Your and my best kept Dollar Tree secrets that you can find in any store. Truly, I mean it.
This is an incredible new product, okay? Like there's a lot of boxes in this store just kind of like chilling out all over, but look at this. Look at this wallpaper. Now, I recently made a peel and stick video that you guys loved of all of the amazing ways to use Dollar Tree wallpaper. I think this is my brand new obsession. Where would you put this one? Let me know in the comments below.
They also had these beautiful butterflies, but the bird pattern had to come home with me for my new to me vintage piece I got on Facebook Marketplace. What's so great about this is it's repositionable and so easy to cut. When I laid the second piece in, I just folded over the side and I cut it with a pair of scissors. You can see here I'm repositioning a bit to get it just right. If you're thrifting furniture, this is such a great way to update the inside. You can even update the back of pieces like I recently did this one. And now for some of your ideas.
Have you ever walked by these at the Dollar Tree? Don't. A beautiful viewer just told me, so now I've got to get one. She uses these silicone pot holders to open up stubborn jars. We're going to test this out.
I was definitely impressed.
Another amazing trick shared by a wonderful viewer is that dry erase markers are really great to label your food storage containers. You can also label anything in the fridge, also your washing machine, things that need to go not in the dryer but need to hang dry to let a spouse know.
Just wipe away with a sock. And speaking of the laundry room, y'all had so many comments about these long reach pickup tools.
Also, these grabbers from the Dollar Tree, viewer recommended is to use these behind your washer and dryer to get things that have fallen. I'm gonna test this out. That is a very dusty sock.
I am always looking for those life hacks that truly work, especially in the places of the house I'm using all the time. So here's a viewer trick I've got to tell you about.
This is an amazing viewer hack, which I wish I actually knew when I hurt my ankle. She said that she takes office chairs, and when she's in the kitchen or somewhere else, if you struggle with mobility issues, if she wants to sweep her floor, she can actually just move around her kitchen. She can cook, she can chop food, she can start dinner. And it just makes it a lot easier if you have body pain, back pain. I think this is a really great tip, or maybe just an injury.
These little home tweaks can make all the difference, and I had to share this one. My beautiful viewer said that she puts her bath mat horizontally because when she steps out of the shower, she walks forward, not to the side, right? I mean, I thought this was totally genius, and once I tried it in my home, it was a complete game changer. And now back to the Dollar Tree for more of your cleaning hacks.
Viewer trick unveiled. Effordent denture tablets. Now I use these to deodorize shoes. Did you know, according to my viewers, you can use this to descale a coffee pot, and you can use this inside of your toilet to get rid of rings. If you wear Invisalign, there are so many uses for denture tablets, just $1.25. Great tricks.
You can see the rings starting to form in our toilets. I just put 2 of these tablets inside and I let sit for a few hours. Then you can flush and clean as normal, and it does an amazing job.
We are here to learn together. Now, I have showed you how you could use Barbasol to remove stains from mattresses. Y'all, this works so well. All you have to do is rub a little bit on and then take some vinegar water solution and rub it away. This acts as like an abrasive cleaning agent, but what I really want to know from you guys is, can you use the aloe version, the sensitive skin version, or do you have to use normal Barbasol? Like, I'd like to branch out to some other scent options, but let me know in the comments down below what you like to use Barbasol for. Now, this is just a nifty product, a voice-controlled tabletop light for $1.25. Now, I have reviewed lights in the past that have been great. I'm skeptical, but we're gonna try this out.
Dome lamp, change the color.
I loved it. It works from across the room, and every time you talk to it, it flashes. It's kind of like an Alexa. You can even change the color.
Dome lamp, turn off the light.
The fact that it flashes every time you talk to it
Says it's listening. I wish my husband did that.
So many of you were raving about this product when I first posted a short of it, and I'd love to know if you've seen one at your store.
It's so crazy, like even if you walk in kind of like messy stores, sometimes like there's some really cool like clean areas. This is a brand new one. They have these cork bulletin boards. They're kind of like squishy, so they actually have a lot of give to them, more so than they have in the past. Rectangle felt boards, which I really like, and look at these adorable little push pins. They've got like little pom-poms on them. They also have some really pretty gold ones, but I really feel like you could do a lot with this in your kitchen. I'm gonna test it out.
Styled up with that dome lamp. And I've got a hack for you.
This is looking a little, but come here. They have Pears soap here. Now what I really like about Pears is a viewer commented that this works really great for like a DIY eyebrow wax. I'm actually really excited to try this out. This is more of like a Gen Z moment. I'm a millennial, so I just like fill in my brows. Like I don't know how to do the Gen Z brow, but apparently this is a great Dollar Tree hack, $1.25. And this soap smells so good.
All you do is take a brow brush with a little bit of water and then you rub it lightly over the soap to load it. This is supposed to be a dupe of the Glossier Boy Brow Eyebrow Gel. That's $22. And yes, it worked.
What? I am so impressed. Thank you for this. This actually works. $1.25 versus $22. That's a big savings.
And oh man, do I have more tricks for your home.
Look at these little bags right by the front of the store. These are so pretty. So these are tote bags. And I love how this one looks kind of vintage with all of the different herbs on this. Oh my goodness, look at that. We're gonna do a quick DIY with this guy.
I love that.
This girl, we're gonna make her beautiful.
Now, when it comes to items for your home, again, I've been loving the vintage style. You can make pillows from the Dollar Tree so easily. Take some old fluff. This could be from old pillows, it could be from old stuffed animals, or you can get it inexpensively on Amazon. And I just used some fabric hot glue to make this beautiful pillow. What do you think?
All right, big thumbs up for the weirdest hack of the video, and I think you're gonna love it. Hear me out. Dog clippers. Even if you don't have a dog, you don't have a cat, you're gonna wanna buy these if you're a crafter because they're perfect for cutting your dowel rods for all sorts of DIY projects. Was your mind not blown by that? Thank you so much to this beautiful viewer.
Now, when it comes to Dollar Tree, the wood section is so amazing. They even have dowel rods now, and I just wanna show you this trick because it's so fantastic for summer. Grab 4 of Dollar Tree's little wooden crates and hot glue them together. I also grabbed a board to hot glue onto the top. Cut down a dowel rod, and then we're gonna hot glue some bunting to the top. I just took the ribbon and I wrapped it around, and then I got some inexpensive flowers from the grocery store, just about $4 a bundle, and this makes a gorgeous flower bar. If you're having an event or a bridal shower, or maybe you just wanna get together with friends and make your own bouquets, you can put this together so beautifully. I got all of the mini glass jars also from the Dollar Tree. What do you think? I love how elegant this is. It's great for any party too, because people get to go home with a favor that they'll truly enjoy. And speaking of decor,
look what we've found, a diamond in the rough, the rubble. What will it be? What will she find? Oh look, it's a photo frame card photo holder. I can't tell you where this should be because this store's a mess, but look how cool this is. This is really awesome. So I have a really easy hack for this. You could use a frame like this. Dollar Tree also has a lot of frames without backs like this, which is what you want. We're gonna put some pressed flowers in here. Check this out.
these pressed flowers are just a few dollars on Amazon. I'll be sure to link them below, and there are so many crafts you can do with them. I have them in many videos, but you can take some tweezers, and this is just so relaxing, y'all. I love that you can see right through the frame, and I just chose some of my favorite colors to stick right inside. There's so many frame options you could use if you can't find this one, but I liked that I could stick this right in the window. It hangs down, it looks beautiful and vintage. I just love it.
Oh my gosh, these are really pretty, okay? Look at these glasses. This really looks vintage to me. They have tall ones and short ones. Let me know what you think of these.
These cups have been popping off everywhere online. It took them a little while to come to my store, but like I said, this is a really tiny, very messy Dollar Tree, and it got all of these new finds. Sometimes the smaller stores are even better. I'd love to know your experience and share with you some more hacks.
An amazing viewer commented right here that she gets her shoe covers from the Home Depot and then uses it to pack her luggage. I like to come to the Dollar Tree and get shower caps. You get 10 for $1.25, works just as well. Okay, how many Dollar Tree projects do you use zip ties on? I do them on a lot, and I've found out I've been using zip ties wrong for my entire life. One of my amazing viewers commented that you do not have to cut zip ties. You literally twist them after you zip tie them, and then they just come off, so it doesn't have that sharp edge that cuts your finger. This is literal genius. I'm gonna try it out. I love these really big, long cable ties, especially for putting like garlands on banisters over the holiday season. Always stuck up on these.
All right, friends, you gotta let me know in the comments down below. I'm trying this trick out. She said you just like bend the zip tie and it cuts, like you don't have to cut it, and it's not working. What am I doing wrong? Let me know in the comments if I'm doing something wrong.
I also really like this macrame hanger. Now you could put a lot of things on here. I'm actually gonna use this to help trellis my plants in the bathroom because I use a lot of macrame in there. You could also use this as like a towel hanger. You could put this in the kitchen. How would you use this one? Let me know below. Who knows, maybe it'll end up in another video.
Now this I ended up zip tying right on. You could hang plants from this, but I decided to hang a little hand towel. What do you think?
Definitely leave your Dollar Tree tips and hacks in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear from you. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you, you are enough. Have fun out there, whatever Dollar Tree you end up at. They also have these LED light strips, which I thought you could like make a word, like spell something out, but they're not really great. It just, this looks like a catheter. The martini glass and the eye mask. You know how these things all go together. I'm done.
I give up.